Okay, guys, in today's class, we're going to learn about jobs, occupations, and English. So let's see with the number one. Whose tools are these? Whose tools are these? Artists. Artists. Where do you work at? I work in a studio. Studio. Let's continue. The next one. Whose tools are these? ¿De quiénes son estas herramientas? Carpenter. Carpenter. Where do you work at? ¿Dónde tú trabajas? I work in a carpenter's shop. Trabajo en una tienda de carpintería. Carpenter's shop. Let's continue. The next one. Whose tools are these? Cook or chef? Cook or chef? Where do you work at? I work in a restaurant. I work in a restaurant. Trabaja en un restaurante, chef. Whose, whose tools are these? Doctor. Doctor. Where do you work at? ¿Dónde tú trabajas? I work in a hospital. 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 Whose tools are these? Engineer. Engineer. Ingeniero. Where do you work at? ¿Dónde tú trabajas? I work in a factory. Factory. Fábrica. Factory. Let's continue. Whose tools are these? Farmer. Farmer. Where do you work at? I work in a farm. El granjero trabaja en el campo, la granja. Farm. Let's continue. Whose tools are these? Firefighter. Firefighter. Where do you work at? I work in a fire station. Trabaja en establecido. Bueno, trabaja en los bomberos. Whose tools are these? Hairdresser. Hairdresser. Estilista. Where do you work at? I work in a salon. Trabaja en un salón. Saloon. Whose tools are these? Pilot. Pilot. Where do you work at? I work in an airplane. I work in an airplane. Let's continue. Whose tools are these? Police officer. Police officer. Okay, police officer. Where do you work at? I work in a police station. Trabaja en una estación de policía. Police station. Whose tools are these? ¿De quiénes son estas herramientas? Scientist. Científica. Scientist. Where do you work at? ¿Dónde tú trabajas? I work in a science lab. Trabajo en un laboratorio de ciencias. Whose tools are these? Singer. Cantante. Singer. Where do you work at? ¿Dónde tú trabajas? I work in a broadcasting station. Trabaja en un estudio de grabación. Whose tools are these? Teacher. Profesor. Teacher. Okay. Where do you work at? I work in a school. Trabajo en un colegio. Whose tools are these? Vet, veterinario. Vet, veterinario. Where do you work at? I work in an animal hospital. I work in an animal hospital. Trabaja en un hospital de animales. Review. Let's see. Artist, artista, artist. Carpenter, carpintero, carpenter. Cook or chef, chef o cocinero. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Engineer, ingeniero, engineer. Farmer, granjero, farmer. Firefighter, bombero, firefighter. Hairdresser, estilista, hairdresser. Pilot, piloto, pilot. Police officer, policía, oficial de policía. Scientist, científica, scientist. Singer, cantante, singer. Teacher, profesor, teacher. Vet, veterinario, vet. And that's it. Okay, guys, so pay attention.